This is the weather forecast video for Monday, April the 9th, 2012. Taking a look at this satellite image from last evening. A storm system coming into the west coast. It will be coming through later in the week, but until then it's going to be quite nippy in the mornings and quite chilly, but somewhat warm in the afternoons. The watch warning map from around midnight shows a freeze watch in effect in the dark blue area, expanding most of Iowa, with a red flag warning out east, a fog advisory around Dallas, and nothing much else around the country at this time. QPF chart precipitation through Friday evening at 7 o'clock shows some precipitation to our south and west, with some precip coming up in here, maybe a quarter to a half an inch, and this will be with the storm late this week. Heading off to the GFS, the 0Z run at 1 p.m. this afternoon. A ridge over the west and a pretty broad trough over the east. And with this pattern, we'll have some cold air coming down. Temperatures during the day will be in the 50s to near 60, with some frosty mornings. Lows in the 30s, maybe a few places in the upper 20s. The best chance for frost will be Tuesday morning here, with highs back into the 50s. Some places may barely make it into the 50s, see a few upper 40s. Heading into Wednesday, another frosty night possible, mainly in the eastern half of the state. Temperatures for highs 50s to lower 60s out west. The moisture begins to build on Thursday, especially to our west, with some showers and thunderstorms in the Dakotas, down into Nebraska, Kansas, Oklahoma. This will be moving in late Thursday night into western Iowa. And by Friday, it'll be moving through the rest of the state with some showers, some thunderstorms. It's still too early for severe weather, but the better chances look to be just south of the state, but we'll see on that. Saturday, that first system moves off, but there's another one right on its heels that's going to bring some more showers and storms here for Saturday. Mainly Saturday afternoon into the evening. Sunday, this model wants to put the storm and move it away. We likely think there's still going to be some lingering showers and maybe an isolated thunderstorm, with temperatures still in the 60s to around 70. A week from today, next Monday the 16th, ridge nosing into the northwest, a ridge over the southeast. We have an upper level feature over the Four Corners and a trough axis extending from there north and northeast. And one storm moves off, and here comes another one. But this high pressure over Manitoba is going to bring cold air back down, and that could keep this system to our southwest moving south of us and missing us altogether. A few days later, on the 20th, another broad trough over, mainly from the plains eastward, somewhat of a split flow across the west. And with this pattern, we'll have some rain, high elevation snow west of us, a storm along the east coast with some showers and storms there. We're staying dry and it's seasonal, highs in the 60s. At the end of the forecast, though, on the 24th, there goes the jet stream back into Canada. This looks like the pattern we saw for most of the month of March, where it's way to our north, and when it's way to our north, that means a lot of warm weather. Maybe temperatures back well into the 70s, maybe 80 again if this is right, with a few scattered showers and storms possible, with Gulf moisture returning. Thank you for tuning in to the weather forecast video. We'll have another one on Tuesday.